Hi, welcome to NanoWorks. Today we're going to show you how AI can be leveraged in the nanoscopic level.
We were inspired by the world's smallest Nerf gun. This distinct art form awaiting its canvas draws inspiration from Mark Rober's smallest Nerf gun video.
How we built it. Leveraging an advanced algorithm streamlines the process with tracing AI-filtered images to pinpoint connection points and sequences, creating a dynamic and interactive three-dimensional visualization structure.
We believe that this is the future of healthcare. NanoWorks, our emerging technology inspired by Curse's role in software development, is set to revolutionize 2D and 3D origami design by offering an intuitive tool to overcome the steep learning curve of DNA manipulation and splicing, driving the next leap in nanotechnology with tangible nanoscale innovations.
Hey Brian, what do you think we should put into NanoWorks?
I really like cats. Let's try that.
Put in the cat. As we can see right off the bat, we'll be able to see a cat. And if we zoom in here, we're able to see little strands of the cat. And you might be wondering, what is this? So these are nucleotides. And what it's supposed to show is you can generate any shape you want with the DNA. And on the right hand side, as we can see, these ATCG, these are the nucleotides, and these are what make the DNA structured. And we have a legend up here, and what this legend shows is what each color corresponds to. And on the very top info, we can see how big this picture is. And if we just do a quick loop around, you can see there's many tides, and you might be wondering what this pink thing is. And what this pink thing is what it connects the DNA and makes it its structure. As DNA, we all know, is just a single strand, but with these pink structures, we'll be able to connect them and make them structured like the way we see right now as a cat. Thank you so much for watching NanoWorks.